Check this out, guys. I got a GoPro alternative action camera by Wolfgang. Let's go check it out. In this video, we are going to take a look at Action Camera by Wolfang. Camera features 4K video, support for external microphone. It has a hyper stabilizer and 40-meter waterproof and tons of accessories. Now let's do unboxing. The camera is very similar to GoPro camera, so if you are familiar with GoPro camera, you shouldn't have a hard time learning this camera. Next, go ahead and insert the battery. It comes with 2 extra batteries, so it's very nice. You're gonna go and charge the camera using the standard USB cable. Insert your SD card, and we're gonna go and format the SD card. First, go and turn on the camera by pressing and holding your power button. Click on power buttons again to go to the menu. Click on power button a few times until you see a system setting. This is where you have format option. Scroll down the menu using the up and down arrow on the side, and then click OK button to format. Now finish the system setup by choosing language and setting time for camera. Remember, this is not a touch screen. Here you get to choose your video setting. We're gonna go with 1080p 30 frames per second. But here we have option for 4K, 2.7K, and then 720p for 120 frames per second for slow motion videos. Here we have different video options such as time-lapse, slow motion, and audio recording. Okay, the camera is all set up and ready to go. Let's go test this guy out. Okay, now we're gonna turn on the Hyper EIS, which is a super stabilization. Now let's go and set up the time-lapse video. Go to video setting or time-lapse video section. Here choose your time interval. We are going to choose 60 seconds. Remember, longer the time interval, faster the time-lapse will be. If you exit out and go to main screen, you'll notice this red time-lapse mark on the top. Now press record, let the camera sit there for a while. Now let's check out the slow motion option. Go to video configuration page and choose slow motion. There's 2 options for slow motion. You have 720p for 120 frames per second or 180p for 60 frames per second. For super slow motion, we're going to choose 720p, 120 frames per second. camera features option to plug in your external microphone. It also comes with the external microphone that you clip on your shirt. Okay guys, this is a video camera without the external microphone. Now let's go and put on the external microphone, see how it sounds. Okay, now this is the video footage with the external microphone. Is there any difference? Now we are going to put some better microphone. Yeah, I can't really use the other microphone because we have to get adapter for this one. You need a different adapter plug. Connecting the camera to your computer is very easy. Just plug in your USB cable and click on MSDC. After that, you should be able to copy all your video files to your PC. You notice that all the video file goes to the video folders and all the photo goes to the photo folder, and you just drag it into your PC. So this is definitely a cheaper alternative GoPro camera. It comes with everything that you need in the box. But come on, you can't really compare this to GoPro camera because GoPro is like over $200 and this is only 70 bucks. So if you're looking for something cheaper, then this is a great camera to go. Please subscribe and here's all the information in the description below. Thanks for watching.